Hi guys, in this video we discuss about shorthand if else statement, how to use shorthand. See, A equals to B equals to D. Now here the thing is that now print A is smaller than B. Okay, yes right. A is 10, B is 20. A is smaller than B. If I will zoom in, if A is smaller than B, print A is smaller than B. Okay, next I am giving a condition here. B greater than A. I'll change the condition. I think you can understand easily. A less than. I think it's A less than B is true, right? If A is less than B, then this statement A is smaller than B will be executed. Otherwise, and you here we have to use else is C. Print A is smaller than B if A less than B. Else print A is smaller than B. I think to understand the logic here. Execute this. I delete the last stop this short and if statement. C A is smaller than B. See if this this part will execute first. If A is less than B, this part will be executed. Otherwise, this part will be executed. This part. In other language, we call it as ternary operator, but in Python we call it as shorthand equal statement. In other languages, we call it as ternary operator. Ternary operator. You know, right? Ternary operator. In other languages, in C languages, C++. If you want, I give another example also. I think it's enough. Let's take another example. Take exam x equals to x equals to some 15, y equals to 15. See, print print both are equal. Both are equal. If a equal to b, see it's over. Else both are not equal. Both are not equal. See what do we get in this case? I'll make it as format lines. Now x equals to 15, y equals to 15. Print both are equal if a equal to b. Else print both are not equal. Wait a minute. Sorry. Okay. Remove that you yes. See, both are equal. I think to understand the short and equal statement. This is also called as ternary operator in other languages. In Python, we call it as short and equal statement. If you like this video, please subscribe. Please share your friends. Thank you. Have a nice day.